Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be building a gaming computer. So now we've got all the parts that we need to build a gaming computer. We've got a motherboard, we've got a graphics card and all the other ingredients. And now that's basically a really cheap build because we are building a gaming computer for £200. So in order to get it, in order to get it done in that price, I've bought the motherboard on eBay, which is this one. That's the Intel DQ67OW motherboard with which is coming with the i3 processor and 8 GB of RAM. I bought it. Actually, I bought it as a bundle on eBay, so it will just come in with a processor and 4 GB of RAM in it. So I've bought another 4 GB of RAM for £15. The motherboard itself was £55, and I've bought a really cheap mid-cool 6-CADA CPU cooler, which is coming with it. So that's basically about the motherboard. It comes with a Intel i3 processor, which is a quad-core processor, and it's got 4 cores with 3.1 GHz each. So that's about the motherboard. Next thing I bought to it, was a graphics card. So here we've got Sapphire Radeon 7850 graphics card. It's got 2 GB of DDR3 memory, and I've managed to get it on eBay for £50. With that, we've got two 500 GB hard drive. That will make our RAID array. So we'll have a total of 1 TB in storage. And the reason why I'm buying 2 hard drives, not one, is because I want to get them working in a RAID array. So basically the reason for it is that these are far more faster than one hard drive on itself. Even if you have the hard drive with NCQ, or even if you have a SSHD hard drive, this will be faster than the SSHD hard drive is, because they're just working in a way that it's reading from one hard drive and then it's reading from another hard drive, and it's reading from the first hard drive again. So basically just adding up the speed in total. Next we've got optical drive, which is just a DVD writer, some cabling that came with motherboard. I've got 2 SATA cables over here. In order to plug in the graphics card, because I've got a computer case which is not having enough 6-pin graphics card leads, so I've just bought them. I've just bought a 6-pin lead over here. Plus I've got a splitter for Molex cables, so that will all go together and that will plug and fit everything nicely. As for the computer case, I've bought this Black Series CIT Defender MIDI computer case, which is coming with 500 watts PSU. So that's got like a low noise PSU in it. So I think we'll just go ahead and start building it. So see you in my next video when I'll start getting it all together. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon.